Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Went down to Clevedon today. I think the best thing I can say is I was probably scraping the barrel with the items I actually picked up here. One or two are okay, but we'll see. Okay, start off with this. No problem with this. Spinning tops. Sorry about the yellow paint on my fingers. I've been doing some leave behind art or painted rocks. Okay, made in China, cost me £1.50. I've been doing a few spinning tops lately. These are the ones that you have a bit of string and a handle. Handle goes on there. Bit of string goes through the hole and you wind it up. Got this rather nice ball on the end, and then you pull it and then pull the handle off. It's making a noise because of this thing on the back, which I'll tell you about later. So yeah, nice set that. I'm not sure what that piece is. I'm not even sure it should have been in the bag because it's actually a different colour wood. So I don't know, somebody might know what it's for. I can't imagine you try and balance on top. Don't know, if somebody knows what that part is for, then they can obviously let me know. So that's two nice spinning tops, wooden, with the handles and the pull strings, or whatever we want to call them, and an extra bit of wood that we don't know what it's for. £1.50. Okay, well, we'll cover this off while we're looking at it. You can probably tell it's one of those. Everybody loves cats. Yeah, okay, well my daughters like cats. It was only £1. So I thought, yeah, we'll have that. In fact, that was the first thing I bought on the day. So, yeah, it looks okay. Right, next. Next, that. Why on earth did I buy a plastic duck? To tear it down, because it's one of those ones, a couple little contacts on there, and there's something in the tail. I think it probably makes it quack. But I suspect it's probably old enough to need new batteries, and everything's glued in place, so you can't replace the batteries. So I thought I would just cut it open and we'd have a look. So that'll be a little project on its own. I asked them how much they wanted for it. They said 25 pence, and I said 10 pence, and they said okay. So I paid 10 pence for that. That was the only thing in that charity shop that caught my eye. And then the last charity shop, they had a box of things for £1.40, for 49 pence each, but somebody put that car in there, and this one didn't have a price on it at all. Rosie. Actually works quite nicely. You probably know that I don't do fidget spinners. I think I've got one video of a fidget spinner, or maybe two, out of my just short of 6,000 videos on my channel. Yeah, it's going nicely, isn't it? I mean, obviously it's pink. I don't know if either of my grandsons would want it. But Okay, that was in the box, unpriced, but it was in the 49p box. This was also in the same box marked at £1.49. It's cracked across there. The back axle is completely broken off, or at least the bodywork is. I expect I can probably glue it together. It caught my eye because it's one of those bump and go ones, which has got the little, this is what does the drive. There'll be an electric motor in there somewhere that drives those two wheels. When it bumps into something and the wheels can't drive forwards, they automatically turn and it goes off in another direction. It's full of hair and it's broken. So there's quite a nice bit of detail in there, to be honest. So I said, well, how much for them? Pointing out how broken it was. And they said, well, just stick a donation in the box. So rather than pay for them directly, I'll put a donation in the box of about 50p. I think it was whatever I had in my loose change. So total price on the day, £1.50 for that, £1 for that, so that's £2.50. 20, what do I say, 10p for that and about 50p for that. I think it was slightly less than 50p in fact. So probably about £3 in total on the day. Like I said, scraping the barrel a bit, trying to find something worth looking at. But I will take that apart and I will fix that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.